Okay, Michael. I just wanted to show you what I have done with AngularJS and Alpha 5 with MySQL backup. This is what I'm doing in my blog. Um, Here is the uh, main menu. In the main menu, if you click on the items, I'm calling the server to get the data back. I think, close to about 1,500 or so items, and the items are listed. I don't need anything more than the name and the description, but if you want, you can add additional fields here, like price or year acquired or year, something like that. So, a couple of things. In the search, I'm going to search for the same name. So here, 44 North. 44 North. So all the name that starts with 44 North comes up. Let's close it out. I'm going to have here, we want to see Pinot Noir. How many Pinot Noirs I have? All the description that contains Pinot Noir comes up. Now, let's say a particular name that I want to see. So here, everything that contains Agnes comes up here as I go on. See, it filters progressively. And then I add as, the only name that matches it, it comes up. So all this looks good. But what about the detail? Here, click on the detail. All the detail on that item comes up. So let's go back to the item, and now I can actually scroll through it, and wherever I wanted to see, oh, what happened to this? So I can take a look at this, or just like the way I told you that I can take a look at the item by typing the name, and take a look at the detail page for that. If you want to add an image to it, you can add the image to it here. Let's go back to another item here, recommendation list. This recommendation list is done. When I add the new recommendation, this will not work in the desktop. This will only work in the phone because the camera will not work in the desktop. The picture is taken by the camera and placed on here, and the details are here. Let's go back here. Now let's say you want to, I have a new purchase order. I'm going to bring on a customer. Why I didn't do that? Let me go back here. Oh, for some reason it's not doing it. Okay. Let's get my daughters. So when I have this, I can select any item here and watch this here. I'm gonna build the list here. I'm gonna build the list. You see this here? I'm building the list cases. When I process the purchase order, an email is going to be built using the data and mailed to my daughter. So that's one can be done. I showed you with recommendation and new purchase order. So this all done, all the front end is done using AngularJS. The data for this is provided by Alpha 5. The database is MySQL. So you could use Alpha 5 very, very fashionable way by displaying this data here. And at the end of the blog, in about 4 to 6 weeks, I will post how to convert the HTTP call to the server to a call to the local storage. So that will be simpler. I don't know whether you remember, a while ago I posted a local storage using jQuery and Alpha 5. Same mechanism with AngularJS, it's not difficult, and it works faster. And you can do that even on web side, and it will be very impressive because they don't have to depend on the internet coverage. Just to show you, this can be done.